Apple shakes up search. AI to replace Google on Safari? What's up, tech enthusiasts? Get ready for a bombshell because the world of online search might be about to change forever. This past week, some major news dropped involving Apple that could send shockwaves through the tech industry and how we find information online. Stick around because this is big! The big news: Apple considers ditching Google. So, what's the buzz all about? Well, Eddy Cue, Apple's senior vice president of services, recently testified in the U.S. Department of Justice's antitrust case against Alphabet, that's Google's parent company. And what he revealed is pretty groundbreaking. Apple is seriously considering switching its default search engine in Safari away from Google. But it doesn't stop there. Apple isn't just looking at other traditional search engines. They're eyeing AI-powered alternatives like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and Anthropic. Yes, you heard that right, AI could be the future of Safari search. Why the shift? Now, why would Apple even consider such a monumental shift? Cue shed some light on their reasoning. Firstly, he revealed that for the first time ever, Safari search volume actually decreased in April 2025. Cue believes this drop is directly linked to users increasingly turning to AI tools for their information needs instead of traditional search. Think about it: why sift through pages of links when you can get a direct answer from an AI? Secondly, Cue emphasized the rapidly changing technological landscape. He stated that advancements in AI are creating new opportunities for fresh players in the search market. This could finally lead to some real competition in a space that Google has dominated for so long. It seems Apple sees this as the perfect moment to explore these new possibilities. Apple's AI partnerships. This isn't just talk either. Apple has already been actively engaging with leading AI companies. We're talking about discussions with the likes of OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, as well as Perplexity AI and Anthropic, all with the aim of integrating their AI-powered search capabilities directly into Safari. Interestingly, Apple has already dipped its toes into the AI waters by integrating ChatGPT into Siri. And they have plans to incorporate Google's Gemini AI later this year. This shows a clear direction towards embracing AI across their ecosystem. The money and market impact. Now, let's talk about the financial implications, because this is where things get really interesting. Currently, Google pays Apple a staggering $20 billion per year to be the default search engine in Safari. This massive deal is actually at the heart of the ongoing antitrust case against Google. Losing this default position would be a huge blow to Google's revenue. The market reacted swiftly to this news. Following Cue's testimony, Alphabet's stock price plummeted by over 9%, and even Apple's shares saw a dip of around 2%. Investors are clearly concerned about the potential upheaval in the online search market. Looking ahead, the future of search. So, what does all this mean for the future? We're already seeing a shift in user behavior, with more and more people turning to AI tools for their information needs. This trend could accelerate, potentially leading to Google losing significant market share in the long run. Of course, Google isn't standing still. They're heavily investing in their own AI technologies like AI Overviews and Gemini to try and maintain their dominance in the search market. Ultimately, Apple's potential move could be the catalyst for a major transformation in how we search for information online. It could impact both consumers and tech companies for years to come. What do you guys think about this news? Are you excited about the prospect of AI-powered search in Safari? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tech analysis. Thanks for watching!